Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Deepika and now we are talking about the Berkshire Hathaway, that the headquarters centers, and also we are talking about related to this company. So now we are talking about that the Berkshire Hathaway is an American multinational conglomerate holding company that the headquarters in United States. The company wholly owned by the Dairy Queens, Lubrizol, Fruits of the Looms, and the Long and Fosters, and more of the above. The significant minority holdings in the US public companies: the Kraft Heinz Company 26.7%, American Express is 17.6%, and now that the company has Apple in the 5.4%, Wells Fargo 9.9%, the Coca-Cola Company is 9.32%, and the Bank of America 6.8%. Beginning in 2016, the company acquired large holding in the major US airline carriers, namely United Airlines, Delta Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and American Airlines, but sold all of its airlines holding early in 2020. Berkshire Hathaway has arranged an annual growth in book value of 19% to this shareholder since 1965, that the company, while employing large amount of capitals and minimal debt. The company is known for its control and the leadership by Warren Buffett, who serves as chairman and the chief executive. This is the person, one of the company vice chairman. In the early part of this careers of your big shares, Buffett, and the focus on long-term investment in publicly traded company, but more of your recent, he has more your frequently bought whole companies, and the Berkshire now owns a diverse range of this business, including the conveniently retail, railroads, home furnishing, your manufacturing of vacuum cleaner, jewelry, sales, manufacturer and distributor of uniforms, and more of the above related of your gas, utilities, and electronics. According to this Forbes Global 2000 list, and the formula of your Berkshire Hathaway is the 8th largest public company in the world and the 10th largest conglomerate by revenue and the largest financial services company by revenue in the world. As well as in the April 2020, it means that the 2020 Berkshire Class B stock is the 8th largest complement of the S&P 500 indexes. And the company is famous for having the most expensive share prices in history, with the Class A share costing around $3 lakh each. This is because there has never been a stock split in its Class A shares, but the Buffett, starting in 1984, letter to shareholders that he does not intend to split the stocks. And now that the company has your succession plans, governance by that, and more of the financing, it's called that within the annual revenue, it's $254.6 billion US, and increasing of 2.7% over that the previous fiscal cycles. So guys, if you like this video, then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. So thank you guys.